Hello friends, welcome back to Ambabus creation. Today I will explain and demonstrate the L298N motor driver module with Arduino. By the end of this video, we will know how it works, how to connect it and how to control a motor's direction and speed.
Amazing!
Let's look at the pin details of L298 IC. What is L298N? The L298N is a double express motor driver IC. It allows you to control two DC motors or one stepper motor using Arduino either ESP32 or other microcontrollers. It supports up to 5 to 35 volts motor power and can handle up to 2 amperes per channel. That means you can easily drive small robots, cars and automation projects with it. Let's look at the pin details. I will go to bottom for depth information about L298N. Here this is 5 to 12 volt pin and ground pin and plus 5 output voltage pin. This we can provide to either motor pin IN1, IN2, IN3 or 4. This is motor 1, out 1, out 2. This is the motor A. Out 3 and out 4 is for motor B. This is motor A and motor B.
Amazing!
For example, if IN1 is high and IN2 is low, then motor A moves forward. If IN1 is low and IN2 is high, motor A moves backward. And with the pulse width modulation, enable A, enable P, you can adjust the motor speed. For connecting the L298 input 12 voltage, instead of 12 voltage I am connecting with this adapter 7.5 voltage. It's enough to run our motors. This chopper, I don't want to cut this one, so I made like this. We want to control this is enable A, enable B jumpers. We need to remove for controlling the motor speed. This is Arduino ground and adapter ground. This is the Arduino UNO I am using to interface with L289N and Arduino. This is common ground. We have must and should be. We have to connect L289 to Arduino ground. Now I am connecting motor A left and motor B right. In Arduino, I am using for motor A 8, 9, 10 as a digital signal. 8 and 9 for controlling and 10 is for enabling the L289 motor. Motor B right side, I am using digital pins 5, 6, 7. Let's connect. Pin 1 2 digital pin 9. Now I have to upload the code. Go to Arduino Droid mobile application for coding ESP32 and Arduino. This is the code I would like to upload to Arduino for driving the motors.
Amazing!
We have to give access of USB. Sketch is uploaded. As you can see, the motor moves forward, then stop, then reverse, just as we programmed using PWM. You can also change the speed easily.
Amazing!
So friends, this was the complete guide on the L298N motor driver with Arduino. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Ambabus Creation for more Arduino and electronics projects. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.